Not even just one solo. So.
Word. Let's handle him before he becomes a threat, homie. Hey, light skin, is he on you? Because that's where I saw him drop. Level 2 vest, if you ain't got one. Oh, shit, right behind me.
Don't you dare tell me you're about to get close.
I got him. Oof.
This fool's always has to get woken up.
Last, can you say Bosco Map Tap?
I got another right
Man
here,
tap.
just running in the field by
Bosco
myself
Man
and
tap.
shit.
I wish I could see you.
To the right. They're to the right. I'm gonna go finish off this kill.
Heard. Light skin got you.
Oh, good shit. I got another one on me.
I'm with you.
75 behind the tree right here.
Right.
That I just shot at. Right there. He's probably moving though.
I'm flanking his left.
I hit him like twice.
He should be behind. Yeah, behind these houses right here.
They're creepy quiet. On
He's
me.
right, right, yeah, that was him.
He's got a gun like you.
I got eyes there at 275 coming down the line.
Heard. Oh shit! Right on me.
Over here at 275, I downed somebody right now.
Heard. Let's go check it out.
Oh, right here.
Where?
No, he's right there. His homies are around here somewhere. That low key needs 7.62.
Damn, got 7.
I got 7.6 and I don't even need it.
Nice.
I dropped like 100 minutes.
Yeah, let's push that, yeah? I see him, I got eyes.
What number?
What's the number?
320.
I got eyes. By the rock.
Oh, shit. Nice. Oh, right in front of me. Fuck.
Careful, there's across the river.
Oh, I see him right here. Northeast, behind the tree. Close to the house. I'm gonna push him. He's moving.
Across the river.
I'm looking for. Oh, right here. Oh.
Oh, right here. Oh. I got eyes right there. Across the river.
Across the
330.
river. It's by that rock. Nope. He's moving.
You got hit, Marcus?
Is that guy still alive in the water? By the rock?
No, he's in the tree that I'm shooting at. Waiting for us to move. How long? How long?
How long?
Got him.
Nice.
My distance, bitch.
I got a guy in the water.
Heard. See.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice.
Go around the
I'm
outside.
going around the outside to the top of the mountain. I got eyes.
Got eyes.
Nice, Rick.
He's dead. He went down instantly.
Good. It's clear.
Oh, on me. Top of the mountain.
Down one.
Oh, there's one behind him.
I think we just pushed them, bro.
Yeah, we do. They're right here to 260.
I know. Behind me.
Knocked one.
I'm healing up real quick.
One's at my 200.
Behind the rock.
Going back up.
Good shit, dude.
Guys.
Heard, come to you.
Light skin. We're to your left, guys. To your left. On him right now.
Got him.
Good shit, fellas. All right. What do we got with this? One diverting dude, 2 dudes diverting. We just scared everybody, bro.
I got one coming over to us. I'm going straight to him. I already got
Heard.
strapped up in here.
In here. Oh, wait, other
To my
side.
right.
No.
And in here somewhere. I got eyes.
Heard. Coming. All right, fool, I'm pushing him. light skin. 2 of these shots.
Good.
I'm opening fire. And I got another one running over there.
He's behind this rock, I think, right here.
I got another guy at the houses. Somebody down
No,
over
he
there.
got me at the S12. No, I'm dead, dude. Damn.
No. Push him, light skin.
I'm on.
Good shit, fellas. Good shit, fellas.
Oh.
Let it go,
On
push
lerp, on lerp.
I'm dead,
Oh,
though.
fuck, he dropped me.
I got y'all. No! Fuck.
It's all good, fellas. Oh, he's right there.
Left.
Yeah, I got him.
Nice, dude.
Oh!
Where are you coming from?
Across the
road.
At 105.
Oh, shit. I was gonna say, what's with that sniper rifle? Nice. Light skin got him. Damn, ruthless.
Where you going, homie? I am that. Damn. Alright, you ready?
Ooh.
They're right here.
Yeah. Let's get it.
I'm gonna pull up right here. In this building right here. Yep, right here. Downhill. Oh, I got a thing behind. Yeah.
My guys, Riccman and light skin are fucking doing the damn thing. Go all the way. Got 19 people left.
Got a box here. It's freshly landed.
Is someone going for the box? Oh, yeah, I see him. Ooh.
Heis. Alright, what do you want, brother? There's a level 3 vest vaccine on it.
Where is it? I see him, I
Right
see him.
there at 60. Somebody else is shooting at. That's good. Someone else. Oh, sons of bitches. Alright, my brother.
You go to visual?
Coming down the hill.
Got this.
Got him.
You got 2 more coming down the hill?
I see. Ah, son of a bitch.
Nice,
Got
light
it.
skin.
One down.
Good shit, light skin.
Where's the other one?
Doesn't know what the fuck to do. Nice, light skin.
Get that nigga rolling down the hill.
Yeah,
I got eyes.
Rick. There you go.
You know what? Oh, we gotta go uphill. Let's go uphill. Come this way. One of them is down.
Yeah, careful. They're probably at the houses healing up after you picked them up.
I got
Oh no! The rock. You got this, light skin. Oh!
It's on you, light skin.
I'm bleeding out.
Oh, I got
Left,
it.
left.
Right there in the tree, right there. One other brick. No, I see him at the house. Good shit, Rick. Coming.
They're on me.
Heard. And me. No. I'm dead, fellas.
There's one on me.
Yeah.
In the house that we were at.
Oh, he's in there?
Yeah.
Good money.
That's right. Get murdered.
He's on me. Oh. No.
Negative.
What the fuck? Upstairs.
No.
Finished me.
Fuck. Damn, bro. It sucks. You guys died. I heard you, homie. Got me one. Got me one. Oh, he's right there. You know the West Coast, West Coast, West Coast. You know the West Coast, West Coast, West Coast. You know the West Coast, West Coast, West Coast. I mean another one. You know the West Coast, West Coast is that. You know the West Coast, West Coast, West Coast. You know the West Coast, West Coast, West Coast. You know another one, boy. West Coast, West Coast. You know the West Coast, West Coast is that. You can run, but you can't hide, boy. Give me one. You know the West Coast is back. Shout out C. Willie. Oh, he is. Give me one. I'm about to finish this 30. Switchy. Got me another one, boy. Hey, take that too, boy. Oh, you're back. Somebody back. What's back? West Coast. Back. West Coast. Back. You know the West Coast. West Coast is back. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast is back. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast is back. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast is back. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast. West Coast. You know the West Coast. West Coast is back. Let's go!
I can't believe it. Type of bird has become StoneDragon. Good shit, homie. You're
16 kills alert.
Good shit.
Back to back alert.